FedEx just reported earnings and the stock dropped by 12%. At the latest share price, the company has a market cap of $63 billion. With $6.7 billion of cash and $21 billion of debt, the enterprise value is $76.4 billion, and the company also pays a dividend of about 2%. FedEx has reported $88 billion of revenue over the last 12 months, $4.3 billion of net income, and just over $10 billion of EBITDA. As a result, the stock looks cheap, trading at under 15 times earnings and under 8 times EBITDA. By comparison, UPS is trading at 16 times earnings and almost 10 times EBITDA. However, that discount seems justified. FedEx has been losing market share and in terms of deliveries now sits in 4th place behind the United States Postal Service, Amazon and UPS. Based on the company's own outlook for 2024, that doesn't look likely to change. The clear upstart here is Amazon. The retail giant has quickly overtaken rivals and should deliver 5.9 billion packages this year. The most worrying aspect for FedEx is that the gap shows no sign of slowing down. That said, FedEx stock is up 42% this year, even including the recent drop. Management plans to cut costs by more than $4 billion and buy back shares, and parcel volume driven by e-commerce growth should continue for some time. Given the chaotic environment over the last few years, it's possible that FedEx will emerge a leaner and more improved business. If you assume FedEx can grow its earnings at 10% per year for the next 5 years, then trade at a similar price to earnings multiple, the company could reach a valuation of $104 billion in 5 years' time. Include dividends and the total return comes to almost 12% a year. The problem is FedEx management isn't that optimistic. The midpoint of next year's outlook suggests less than 5% earnings growth. Exclude a pandemic-driven boost and FedEx growth has been declining since about 2018. Unsurprisingly, that's about the same time that Amazon started to ramp. Overall, FedEx stock looks reasonably cheap, but without evidence of growth, the stock could easily turn into a value trap. That's why I give it a negative rating, but these are my personal opinions, not financial advice, and I've got no position in FedEx. For more investing videos, visit my website 3minutebreakdowns.com. Thank you for watching.